Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss continuous compounding formula, finding the rate. Now, for the formula, we have R is equal to ln of the quantity A over P over T here. So, over T. ln is the natural log, so I'll discuss it later. So, let's have the variables. A will be the final amount. P will be the principal or present value, R will be the rate, and T will be the time. Now, what is ln? ln is the natural log, so you can see it in the calculator, and that's the ln. So natural log is ln. Okay, now let's go back to the formula. How did I arrive in this formula? R is equal to the ln of A over P over T. So the derivation of formula is like this. To find the final amount will be P times E. As E is like the irrational number, like 2.718 and so on. So in the calculator, it's like this one. Okay, going back. So 2.718 something and to the RT. So RT are the exponents. So if you want to find R, you have to do it like this. Divide both sides by P. Now you have to put ln here. Now the reason why I put ln is to remove the e. To remove the e and to bring RT down. So you are left with RT. Now since they are not exponents anymore, you can divide both sides by t to get the value of r. And I'll just switch it. There you have it. So r is equal to ln of the quantity a over p, and divide all of it by the time, or t. Let's have the first example. Vaughn invested $5,000 in the account at a specific rate compounded continuously. After 10 years, it became $15,000. What is the annual rate? So let's have the given. A will be $15,000. P will be $5,000. R will be the rate, and T will be 10 years. Now, next thing that we'll do is place the formula. So we have R is equal to ln of the quantity A over P, all divided all by T, or the time. Now substitute the values. We have ln of 15,000 of the quantity 15,000 over 5,000, and divide all of it by 10. So simplify 15,000 by 5,000, that will be 3. So R is equal to ln of 3 divided all by 10. Just input it directly to the calculator, and ln of 3 over 10, that will be 0.10986 something, 12289, and so on. Or just get 0.10986. Now to convert the decimal form of rate to percentage or percent form, you just have to multiply it by 100 and add the percent sign. Now, you can just get 2 decimal points, so round it up. That will be 10.99%. So, again, this is an approximate answer because we round up or we estimate it. Okay, so going back, Vaughn invested $5,000 in the account at a specific rate compounded continuously. So after 10 years, it became $15,000. What is the annual rate? The annual rate will be 10.99%. Let's move on to the next example. Kyrie invested $20,000 in the account at a specific rate compounded continuously. After 6 months, it became $65,000. What is the annual rate? So let's place a given. A will be $65,000. P will be $20,000. R will be the rate, and T will be 6 months. Let's place the... Okay, by the way, time is always by years. So for this one, you have to convert 6 months to years first. Remember, in a year, there are 12 months. So 6 months, so that will be half a year. So that will be 0.5 years. Or it will be like this, 6 over 12. That's equal to 0.5. Okay, moving on. Let's place the formula. We have R is equal to ln of the quantity A over P. And divide all of it by t. Substitute the values. We have ln of 65,000 over 20,000 and divide it by 0.5. So these are color coded. Moving on. Now you can input it in the calculator directly like this one. And you will get an answer of 2.3573 something. And like this. Now you have to convert it to percent. So all you have to do is multiply it by 100 and add the percent sign. Like this. Yeah, 235.73%. So I'll just get 2 decimal point. And that's the answer. So Kyrie invested $20,000 in the account at a specific rate, compounded continuously, and after 6 months it became like this, $65,000. The rate is 235.73%. And that's the end of the lesson on how to compute for the rate and continuous compounding. If you would like to comment or suggest another math and language video, or if you need help with your assignment, please comment down below. And again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe, and also click the bell notification so you will be updated on my future videos about math and language. I would also appreciate if you could also like my Facebook page. I will place the link at the description box below. Thank you and goodbye.